Hey everyone, on today's video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add EasyLink card to Apple Wallet. So first we're going to go to our search bar and search for wallet. So as you can see, then we're going to click on the plus button on the top right corner of our wallet app. Then we're going to click on transit card, as you can see. Then we're going to go to the search button and search for EasyLink card. So if that's not available, we also could try to go back and click on the debit or credit card option. Then we could either scan the card, the EasyLink card, or we can also enter the card manually, whichever is convenient for us. For example, if we enter it manually, we're going to write our names, our card number, then automatically it's going to be registered on our Apple Wallet. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.